Uh, Welcome to all. Today is the day three of documentation of the Linux server monitoring, and today I worked on the service monitoring. So this script will be used to check if a specified service is installed in the server or not. And what we do is that for this demonstration purposes, I actually use three of the services, that is Apache, Nginx, and MongoDB. In my case, Apache 2 is up and running, Nginx is installed but not running, and MongoDB is not even installed. So it will show the three different states. And let me show you the results first. This is the result, and as you can see, it shows the package. It shows the package. It shows if it's installed or not, and shows the service running or not, and it shows the CPU and memory usage. So that's the basic idea. So let's dive more into the script. So first we use the bin bash as same. So in this services variable, I actually passed in three of them just for the demonstration purpose. I passed Apache to Nginx and MongoDB. So in a server environment, if I need to install just a specific services like some database or something like that, I can install that, and I can monitor the services whenever I need using API and all. So we'll discuss about that using Flask. I actually tried to use Flask, but it had some issues. So after sorting it out, we can discuss how we can use it in API. So after that, we use this for loop for service in services. That means it checks through each service available, service in service. I found Apache 2 service, and it checks if the service is installed. So we use the dpkg, that's the package management, and package management for Ubuntu systems, for Debian based system. For other systems, it's RPM, like for Red Hat and all, it's RPM. So yeah, it should be kept in mind for this project. I'm actually more focused on Debian types. So yeah, it checks if the value is if there is no error code or not. To ampersand one represents there is no error code. So if it's true, it prints out the what the service dpkg file. So this head end is used to actually show the first two lines, that is that the package and if it's installed or not, the status. So after that, we check if it's active, and if it's active, that means if I run this command on the Linux, it gives me active or not. So if this active is equal to active, the word active, we enter into this loop, which shows the which sets the status to running, and it takes the PID, the process ID, and we get the process ID, and we assign it to this variable, and if we check if the PID is 0 or not. If it's not 0, we enter into this, and we actually get the CPU and the memory from the PID. Else we print it as NA. Then after that same we use it if the PID is not PID, sorry. This for this, I guess I actually printed it wrong. Yeah, this for this one, status running or not. Excel statement is set to not running if the service is not running, and the user is set to NA. Otherwise, if the package is not installed, we get the status is not installed and usage is NA, and we echo out the results. So that's the basic of the script, and this will be the output. So yeah, this is our code for today, and it was a bit tricky because I tried other ways to get that, and there was some issues. So yeah, tomorrow we'll see with something related to the network settings and all. So by that, I hopefully think that we will be done with the basic part for our project. After that, we can move into the API manage API creation, and after the API is created, we can create the GUI, graphical user interface, and after that we can start to add more and more functionality. So because if we have a baseline, we can actually do much more than that. We can actually build upon it. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you.